Telo mawuok e gwenge ma kadho wadh nam chumbi okwedo motegno paro mar pogo mwandu mag piny Kenya kaluwore gi kwan mag ji. Ka gilose ka chung od bura malunga lunga e kaunti ma Kwale, moko kuom jotelo mawuok e gwenge ma kadho wadh nam chumbi oseyo paro makamano kaka paro mar nyayo akwede mag dhoudi kendo weyo chien gwenge mamoko e chenro mag dongruok. Kotenegi kod jaod bura malunga lunga Mangale Chiforomodo e kind jotelo mamoko, jotelo go ramo ni mwandu piny Kenya nyaka pog marom e gwenge duto. E kinde no jakom komiti ma budget Ndini Nyoro mane en wendo modhiale nyasi no osingo ni pach jopiny e wi budget kod paro mar omenda mag 2024 idhi mi pek.
Mimi ningependa kusema viongozi hawa ambao wanaongozwa na naibu rais warudishe ya mambo chini, wasome katiba, wajue kwamba Kenya yote sisi tunahitaji pia maendeleo. Aongee kuhusu Kenya, atengezee bajeti kama vile tunaona bajeti ya kitaifa ambayo imeshughulikiwa na Bwana Ndini Nyoro. Kama sio hivyo, sisi hatujashindwa kuzaa mwaka 20 kama ni kushindana na one man one shilling one vote, tutaharibu per capita ya nchi hii.
Mumesikia mambo mengi, mumeelezewa siasa ile ya kupotoza watu, siasa ya kugawanya nchi yetu hii ya one man one vote one shilling. Sisi tunasema kama viongozi wa Kwale, hiyo siasa kugawanya nchi hii hatutaki. Tuwache viongozi waliopo katika uongozi wafanye kazi.
Kenyan people are the owners of our country, and there is a debate around the finance bill. There is no report yet in parliament in regards to the finance bill. My brother Honorable Kimani Kuria and the entire committee is busy collecting all the opinions of the people of Kenya. I want to assure all our bosses who are the people of Kenya that your opinion is very important in the entire debate. It is important that we give our opinions in that committee. And as leaders, we are going to respect the opinions of all the Kenyan people.